A very good afternoon to all of you. My name is Akashdeep and I am going to present a topic: antitussive agents. Antitussives are drugs that suppress coughing, possibly by reducing the activity of the cough center in the brain. Antitussive agents are used to reduce dry cough. So, before we discuss more about antitussive agents, we should know what is cough. Cough is a forceful release of air from lungs, and it is a sudden, often involuntary death, a major defense mechanism. Airway irritation activates reflex, which forcefully removes irritants by stimulating airways, which then activates afferent nerves going from respiratory passage through vagus nerve to medulla. Activated cough centers in medulla drive a reflex that initiates inspiration, which is 2.5 liters of air, then increases contraction of diaphragmatic, abdominal and intercostal rhythms, then increases lung pressure and emits air and irritants at 100 miles per hour. Coughs triggered by drainage of mucus from nasal passage into air, which are treated with cough suppressants. Infection-related coughs, example in bronchitis, last for approximately 2 weeks. Persistent chronic coughs, example in smokers, must be evaluated. Coughs occurring with blood, chest pain, shortness of breath, weight loss, or dyspnea may indicate serious disease. Coughs in infants may indicate a serious lung disorder. Definition: drugs that reduce the frequency and or intensity of dry cough. Antitussives are two types: central and peripheral. Central antitussives. Source: opioid derivatives that have antitussive effect in doses lower than those required for pain relief, with minimum analgesic, narcotic, and addictive properties than morphine. Action: inhibit cough center in the medulla brainstem. Uses: acute or chronic dry cough. Types: cough suppressants are opioids that reduce sensitivity of central cough receptor to peripherally activated afferents. Receptor desensitization disrupts reflex and minimizes coughing. Opioids include opiates, morphine, and drugs derived from opium poppy plants such as hydromorphine, hydrocodone, and codeine, and synthetic drugs that mimic effects of morphine. Opioids desensitize central cough receptors, reduce airway mucus secretion, and alter mucus composition. Peripheral antitussives: demulcents, short and pharyngeal. Example: lozenges. Cough drops, glycerin, licorice, honey, menthol may add local anesthetic. Provide symptomatic relief in dry cough arising from throat or pharynx. Action: form gelatinous coat on the inflamed mucosa. Protective soothing effect that reduces afferent impulses from inflamed and irritated pharyngeal mucosa. Menthol stimulates mucus secretion and cover cough receptor. Mechanism of action: the narcotic antitussive codeine and hydrocodone suppress the cough reflex through a direct action on this cough center. Non-narcotic drugs suppress the cough reflex by anesthetizing, numbing the cough receptor in respiratory tract, and thus keeping the cough reflex from being stimulated in the medulla. Opioids also may produce many adverse effects, including analgesia, addiction, sedation, euphoria, respiratory depression, nausea and vomiting, and constipation. Doses of opioids needed to suppress cough are lower than doses that evoke most of undesirable effects, particularly analgesia and addiction. A morphine derivative and glutamate antagonist suppresses cough center and has fewer adverse effects than other opioids, which accounts for its popularity in over-the-counter preparations. Thank you and have a nice day.